Hi, this is Steve and Wade. We just wanted to give you a quick update about what's been going on with Forex Trading Coaches and show you some of the fantastic trade entries that our members have been able to take following our alerts over the last couple of weeks. We've been able to give out several trades this week along with a couple pretty good ones from last week. These are trades that are both from our live trading webinar and our daily trading plan alerts we email out each day. When you come to the live trading webinar, you don't even have to know how to trade our MACD3 Forex trading system. We do it for you. We tell you the entry, exit including stops, along with the trade management including targets. You really can get these results. So let's jump over to the trade setups log and show you what could be in your account as a member. Now our trade log is here at our website, forextradingcoaches.com. And you just click on this link here and up it pops. So we're right up here in the top right. Let's click on it and take a look at it. Now we had 4 trades today. When it's green, that means it was during the US session, which is when our live trading webinar occurs. We had 4 trades today. You can see we're currently up 25 pips on the New Zealand yen, 30 pips on the pound Aussie, 35 pips during the Euro Aussie, and we had a 5 pip winner. So this is the pips profit net of spread on the Euro. And these are all trades that we set all of our members up with today during the live trading webinar. And then yesterday we had a pound sell that went 48 pips. So we'll go show you what these look like on the charts here really quickly. Now before we go over there, we're going to tell you that this column right here tells you what type of trade entry it is. So we have 4-hour traditional, 15-minute traditional, 15-minute traditional. These are different types of trade entries that our members learn how to use. It tells you the currency pair, tells you what time GMT it's set up, what price entry it set up, how many pips it made, what type of exit it was. Was it an even stop, or did we exit out at price, or did the trail stop out? And this is just recording how many trades we took. Okay, so it gives you an idea of what we're looking at here. So we're going to go to the New Zealand yen first and look at this trade entry that happened at 87.45 here today. All right, so this is a 4-hour trade entry. It rallied up to our spot. Our alert was at 87.50, and we teach our members that you trade at or within 5 pips of the alert. So anywhere between 87.45 and 87.50 is where you consider taking the entry, right at one of our nice red levels, right where sellers were before. And so far, if we go down to lower time frame, you can see that it dropped pretty rapidly, far enough to where it's had as many as about 20 to 25 pips profit. Stops are moved to break even on that, and could possibly even lock in a little bit of profit on that one. Now I'll take a quick gander over at the pound Aussie, which was a 15-minute traditional buy trade entry. Now this trade came in a nice pullback here. It pulled right back to our exact trade entry for a 15-minute buy trade entry, 81.05, and then it popped up, and it's really been going pretty slow. So this is a pretty good one to consider taking those 30 to 35 pips profit that it's up on right now. But it very quickly pulled back on the news today. Nice trend with our system, and boom, popped up there. Nice little progress on that trade. Now we'll show the Euro Aussie trade, which was also a 15-minute traditional, 18.30. We told our members about this in the live trading webinar. And these hit a little bit after the webinar, but we told our members to be aware of them. So 43.30 for a 15-minute buy trade entry. At the time I started this video, it's up 35 pips. Very similar to the pound Aussie, it comes down, hits the tradable area, pops up. It's had as many as 35 to 36 pips. This also is rejecting resistance a little bit, so this is one to keep a close eye on. If it continues to reject, then we would suggest, and our members would know, based on the education they've learned, that they want to go ahead and take that profit. So we're watching that closely to see if that's something that profit needs to be taken on. But so far, it's been up 35 pips profit. Now we just want to show you a couple more trades from last week. We had a nice pound New Zealand for 112 pips profit, and we'll show that one to you. We also want to show you what a stop loss looks like, so we'll show that trade to you. This one was a bit of a bummer because it barely stopped out. So we entered the trade right down here, 43.22 during the New York session. Then it popped up, didn't quite stop out there, was coming back nicely. Then you'll notice over here it stopped us out, 30 pips stop loss, right at 43.52. It went 3 pips higher and then dropped like a rock. So the trend assessment was perfectly done by the MACD3 system. It just did a little bit further pullback than usual and then dropped all this pips. But you got to follow the system, because there's other times where you take a loss and then it keeps going the other way against you if you had stayed in. So you just always follow the system, cut the trade, and move on and get some more winners. So let's jump to the pound New Zealand, another 15-minute traditional buy at 97.55. Okay, so this trade came in as it pulled back again to this tradable area, 97.55 area. popped up for very quickly. This is an hour, 1 hour time frame chart. So 5 or 6 hours up 130 plus pips. Began to reject up near the resistance area. So that was a profit of 112 pips on the pound New Zealand. Nice trade. You can see the 4 hour chart. We had a nice trend going on there. Right after the gap up on this news, this is the first pullback, and the trend really continued. Now, if you've not been getting these type of results, we invite you to come join us. Imagine what it would be like to have these kinds of trades in your trading account on a regular basis. Go to forextradingcoaches.com and get started. We'll see you on the inside.